How to remove rust stains from toilets tips. For today's DIY, I will show you how to remove rust stains from toilets. It is quite common to notice rust stains in areas that are prone to moisture like toilets, tubs, sinks and the like. These rust stains can irritate you to a large extent, as they spoil the entire look of the place. Rust stains on toilets can be a huge embarrassment for you, especially when you have guests over. When you have hard water in your area, or water that has a high iron content, it can cause rust stains on toilets and tubs easily. Citric acid method. What do you need? Any source of citric acid. You can directly buy citric acid from the stores or extract it from citrus fruits like lemon, orange, grapefruit and the like. Baking soda or salt, if using fresh citrus fruits. Plastic wrap. Water. Scrubbing brush. Elbow grease. Process. Scrub the rust-stained area with citric acid thoroughly. If using fresh fruits, dip the fruit in a bowl containing baking soda or salt, before you use it for scrubbing the rusty toilets. If the stains are deep, you can make a paste of lemon juice and baking soda. Apply this on the rusty areas. If you are using citric acid powder bought from stores, mix a little water to it to form a paste. Apply this paste over the rusty areas directly. Cover the rusty areas with plastic wrap. This will ensure that the cleaning agents will set in nicely on the stains, and break down the rust particles. Open the plastic wrap after an hour. Use a scrubbing brush, or an old toothbrush to scrub your toilets gently, and you will notice that the rust stains have gone. You can also use elbow grease to scrub away stubborn stains. Distilled white vinegar method. What do you need? Distilled white vinegar, 1 or 2 cups. Toilet brush. Fresh water. Process. Add 1 or 2 cups of distilled white vinegar to the toilet bowls, and use a scrubbing brush, or a toilet brush to clean the rust stains. If the stains are not very deep, they would start to come off now. For stubborn stains, switch off the water connection to the toilet bowl first. Add 2 cups of undiluted vinegar to the toilet bowl. Let the solution remain on the toilet for at least 3 hours. Leave it on overnight for heavy stains. After a few hours, scrub well using a toilet brush, and rinse using fresh water to remove all traces of vinegar from it. Always use vinegar with a high acidity content for cleaning toilets, sinks, tubs and the like. Additional tips and advice. When you buy commercial toilet cleaners, please check the product labels properly. Never buy products that contain harsh or abrasive agents, as they may end up causing a lot of damage to your toilets. It is a good idea to treat the root cause of rust formation in the toilets, hard water. If you live in a place that has hard water, you cannot avoid rusty stains completely. A good preventive technique to avoid this is to invest in a good filtration or water softening system. When the water's quality is corrected, you can automatically prevent rust formation in bathrooms, sinks, tubs and other places.